Every company has a story, but few have evolved as much as FlexLink. From a small Swedish internal startup to a global leader in smart production flow, it's been quite a journey. Hi, I'm Tommy Karlsson, Head of Strategic Growth in Asia at FlexLink. I have worked at FlexLink over the past 36 years, covering a number of roles across Europe, the US and Asia, and I have seen firsthand how FlexLink keeps reinventing itself. FlexLink began in Gothenburg in 1980, when engineers at SKF, a leading bearing manufacturer, saw a need for smarter automation inside their own factories. They designed a modular conveyor system that could easily be reconfigured, like building blocks. That flexibility solved real challenges and soon caught the attention of big manufacturers in the automotive industry. And that was how our journey started. From the late 80s, FlexLink was expanding rapidly to the US, Japan, and across Europe. As industries evolved from automotive, fast-moving consumer goods, food, and pharma, so did we. We adapted to new needs, shorter lead times, cleaner production environments, and systems that could grow from manually to fully automated. Some of our biggest milestones include becoming independent in 1997, expanding the whole way to Asia in early 2000, and joining Croatia in 2011, giving us the strength of a long-term industrial partner with the same passion for innovation and sustainable growth. For me, what's special about FlexLink is the curiosity this job brings. You get to see how products come together behind the manufacturing curtain and how our solution makes a real difference. Over the years, I've learned that our work builds more than systems. It builds lasting relationships. Today, we are present in more than 25 countries, still driven by the same mission, helping customers shape smarter, more sustainable production. Curious to know more? Get in touch with FlexLink today.